My name is Desha Simbarashe, and today we're going to be talking about making money online. I'm in Zimbabwe, Africa. Is it really possible? Throughout my entire life on the internet, I've seen advertisements, or what we guys call ads, telling us make money online, do this, do this, do that. Does it really work? That's what we are here to find out and investigate. So, over the past few days, I've been doing a lot of research on what they call link shortening websites. Do they really work? I'm not sure. Are they scams or not? I'm not sure, guys. I'm just in for a ride. And if you guys want to join me, you're welcome. Pack your bags and let's live together. So, anyway, the site that I'm going to use, I've put the link in the description, so you'll find it right below there. And let's get to talk more about it. How do people actually make money using ads? Because the whole concept behind links shortening websites is advertisements or ads. So let me give an example of this whole thing, from you shortening a link to getting to your destination. Let's take this for example. You want to board a bus and you want to go to some city right there. But on your way to that city, you might encounter a bus stop. Now that's that site. That's the website shortening whatever that we're talking about. Now you get on the actual bus is the link that you click with an intended destination of maybe my YouTube channel, and then before you got there, you get to a bus stop or a temporarily different website from the one that you were supposed to go to. And when you get there, you don't spend much time there. What you simply get there are a series of offers in terms of maybe their vitamin tablets, health packages, stuff for people who are selling and marketing their products. They're just looking for customers. And some people will get off the bus to buy those. Some people will simply ignore them because they actually still are interested in visiting my link. Now, those who are interested, they stay behind and they actually never get to the destination. In other words, they might click the link and not get to the intended destination, which is my YouTube channel. But however, some people are focused, will go through. They'll just skip the ads because there's an option to skip the ads, whilst others don't. And then others use ad blocker. I used to. Sometimes I do. Somewhere along the two. Anyway, so what are the requirements for this thing? You don't require so much. What I did, the first thing is I went on and made a PayPal account. Why I made a PayPal account is that I didn't want to display my banking details on every website that I found out there. And besides, I'm just trying. I just want to figure out if this is true or not. Is it a scam or not? And then after I made my PayPal account, I went into that link in the description below, right there. That's a referral link from me to you, my package to you. And then I joined this website, and when I logged in, the only thing that I've noticed so far is that they've got what they call payout minimum requirements. In other words, you have to have at least $5 in total that you have managed to collect on their website for you to actually be able to withdraw it into your PayPal account or add. As I said before, they've got minimum payouts. That is $5 for the whole thing for you to be able to withdraw. However, they have got what they call a CPM. That is almost, if simplified, it simply means the amount of money that you get per 1,000 views of your shortened links. And yeah, that's basically what I did. So whether this thing is a scam or not, we'll find out probably 6 or 8 days later from now. And because today I was almost halfway to the $5 mark, but let's get to see and find out. Anyway, let's switch to my desktop and let's see what I meant by that.
Right, welcome to my desktop, guys. So let's go to this site that I was talking about. The link is in the description. So open your Google Chrome and go and paste it right in there. Right there, paste and go, and that's the link that's in the description. Now, this is the site I was talking to you about. So what you want to do for what this site does, it does all those things that I told you earlier on that it does. So we just want to look at the payout rates for this site. It says publisher payout rates and the packages description per country. So we have Swaziland right at the top, paying about $20 for desktop, about 1,000 views, which from my experience, I'm not in Swaziland, I'm in Zimbabwe. So anyway, these are the different. I wonder why it's so high there, but anyway, these are the payout rates. What they are saying, this is what they are claiming, and this is $4 the lowest there, and then the worldwide lowest it's around $3 per thousand views. Now those guys also have a trick to it. Let me try to open this in this one, and let's try. Let's see. Right. So what you want to do? Okay, we're at that page, right? And then we checked out the payout rates there. And then what you're going to do is, because you have never used this, you're going to go where it says sign up. And where it says sign up, you're going to fill in your username there, and then you're going to re-put it there, and then you're going to put your password in there. Then you're going to re-enter your password, and then you're going to click right there. It says I'm not a robot, and then you're going to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to register. But as for me, because I already have an account with this, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to log in, and when I log in, I'll head out to my dashboard. So this is the dashboard that's there. That's how simple it is. Now, what you're presented with there is the total number of views of your links, the total earnings, alleged earnings. They're not yet earnings because I haven't seen anything. Then referral earnings from people you have referred uh, links to, and then your average CPM. CPM simply means the amount of money that you're probably going to get per thousand views. So that would be $3.95. And the minimum payout for these guys is $5. So you can only withdraw anything from this website if this number here, total earnings, reach $5. That's when you can withdraw to your either PayPal or your other bank account right there. So what you're going to do is when you have a link that you want to shorten, what you can simply do is to just go to the link right there. Let's go to my channel, right? And when you get there, what you're going to do is you're going to copy the link, then copy it, and then we are going to come back here, and then we're going to say new shorten link, and then you're going to paste it in there. So let's just say paste and then shorten it. And now this is the new the new web address for my channel. So I'll just go right and click here, copy, or you could just highlight and say copy. And then just to try it out, let's see in incognito window what you'll have. So probably you won't have this on. Let me try to remove my ad blocker, and right, so now that I've disabled my ad blocker, let's paste and go that link. And now that's how what you're presented with. Let's wait for it to load. Right, so it says please solve that box to proceed. So you're going to click I'm not a robot, and then says select all images with car and verify that that's a car, that's a car, that's a car. Then verify. Okay, that's a car. That's a car too. Please. Then now it's done. Then you press continue, and then it goes on again. and then it makes the person wait for about 10 seconds, I guess, and then they press get the link. Okay, get the link, and then boom, you are there. You are now at the original destination of that previous link, and that's how it's done. And then yeah, as more people click those links, the number of views increases, so do your total earnings. And we're going to see later on what if it really pays. You see, I'm just waiting. This has been how many days? I joined, this is okay, I joined it was like late in the evening, and that's why there are so little views. Then there's 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 6 7 8 full days today, and I've only had that much. So I'm looking forward to the next 8 days to see if I'm actually going to be able to withdraw anything to my PayPal account. Right. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'm still waiting eagerly to see if this is going to pay. You guys can try it out with me if you want, or if you're going to, if you have any comments, if you think this is a hoax, or if this is some kind of clickbait, or whatever you think about this site and this link shortening business, just feel free to tell me in the description. Thank you guys for watching my video. My name is Desha. Let's switch back to my camera roll.
Right, so guys, that's what about it. So catch me later, 6 days from now. We're definitely going to post something showing you guys if this thing was a scam, if it worked or not, with proof. Get that? My name is Desha Simbarashe. I'm out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment right there below. And the notification gang, don't forget it as well. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you. Peace out.